Hey there traders, welcome to another market update video. Today is the 24th of May and we've got quite a bit to talk about and catch up on. It's been a very busy time here with business developments and some exciting things that will be coming and launching soon. So I'm going to jump into Bitcoin here on the weekly chart. First thing I do want to point out is the fact that we have closed a weekly candle below the 21 exponential moving average, which is this purple line. And every single time throughout history, whenever we do close below the 21 exponential with a decent amount of volume, we can see an extended period of bearish momentum. You can see whenever we're in a bullish market, we maintain above this purple line. And whenever we do not maintain above that purple line, we usually see quite a sell-off in the market. So looking at where we are right now with Bitcoin, I do expect a short-term or a medium-term bounce from the 55 exponential, but I do expect this price to be sold straight back into after we've had that bounce. So let's have a look at the daily chart here. Closing daily candles below the 200 exponential and the 200 simple moving average on a lot of volume here. So I would expect this market to still roll down overall. We could make our way back up to these previous liquidity zones. We've got this one running through here, which is lining up with the 21 exponential on the daily chart, coming in around about 45,000 to about $47,000 per Bitcoin. So we'll probably see a major sell-off happening from that point once that happens. So on the shorter term time frames, this is where I'm going to be placing trades, and this is where I'm going to be managing my portfolio from. Because we're seeing such volatility, it's just easier to keep track on the shorter term time frame. So for Bitcoin here, once we do close a 4-hour candle above $39,300, that's when I'll be looking to take a long position, possibly all the way back up to that level we've been speaking about, $45,000 to about $47,000 per Bitcoin. So a decent long opportunity lining up here. But from that $45,000 level, that's where I'm going to be looking to go short again for Bitcoin. I'm only going to discuss 3 coins here, BNB and Litecoin as well, because that's the 3 coins that have quite a bit of opportunity as we speak compared to the rest of the market, which is still got opportunity, but not as much as these 3 coins in my opinion. So for BNB here, closing below the 21 exponential on a high amount of volume, we can see throughout history, whenever we close below that 21, we do see an extended capitulation to the downside. Same thing happened over here, same thing happened over here. And of course, now we've seen the same thing happening right over here again. So for BNB, I would not be surprised if we do make our way back down to around about $185 per BNB. That would be definitely in the playing cards for now. It could come back all the way as high as $470 per Bitcoin, per BNB, excuse me. But if it does not close any kind of 4-hour candles above, what is that, 345, spot 55, I would still remain bearish on this. Once we do close above that, that's where I'll be taking a long position, targeting that move back up to around 480 per BNB. So a nice trade setup lining up here for that coin as well. And then Litecoin is going to be the last one I'm going to discuss here. This one's more similar to Bitcoin. We did break the trend. We've had an uptrend. We've definitely broken the uptrend now on the weekly chart, closing with a lot of volume to the downside. So a short-term pullback is to be expected as the shorters do start to take some profits. But I do think we're going to be met with some major resistance around 226 to 216. That's the level I'm paying attention to on the daily chart. You can see this was a major level of structure throughout the past as well, throughout history for Litecoin. So I do think this is going to be a major level to get above before we get any kind of medium-term bullish again. Looking at the 4-hour chart here, it's very similar to Bitcoin. I want to see a candle close, a 4-hour candle close with sufficient volume above 185 spot 11. That's when I'll be targeting that move back up to around 262, maybe even 272. That's my upper target, that upper region. We will be met with major resistance around 215 as well. So that's it for this video, short and sweet. From tomorrow morning, I'll be posting a little bit more in depth and go into some more coins here. But I just wanted to touch base after the markets shorted and after the markets dumped the way they did. It's been way more profitable for us to just stay calm and not have any positions in the market. So we'll just stay patient for a little bit longer. As soon as we do see some decent trade setups, we'll start taking them. These levels I'll discuss in the morning on the morning update. All the longer term position areas that I'm keeping an eye on to possibly take longer term positions for my long term portfolio. All right, that's it for today. Thanks, guys. Check you in the next one. Cheers for now. Bye bye.